Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We've got the new brake lines ran, wire, so that's not an issue. Everything's cleaned up. I was able to save all the little mini connections. This one goes up to the master cylinder itself, but we don't have the master cylinder, so it'll be in there like that, but that's on the proportioning piece that is right here that I need to finish cleaning up and let it soak so we can make sure that, ooh, that did come out good. Okay, you can actually see through that now. Okay, so we got a little bit left to do. Here, let's do it that way. There we go. So we're getting all the openings really, really good. That one looks like it's still plugged. So this will have to soak a little bit more. Left that in there and soak. We have, let me hop under here. I've got them mocked up so we know exactly where they're going. The bracket I'm actually working on now that holds that in place, so it'll go up to that hose right there. That one's in place and mocked, so we're just waiting on hoses themselves. I'm working on getting that one clean. You can see where I've been scraping and cleaning. So I'll pull that hose off, and then I can route the last brake line up in place on the frame, put it to its connector, route it up over through, and where it needs to be over here, right there. So we'll get that taken care of. And we have this one over here ready to go. So we'll get the new brake line, well, hose, which is going to go from here to the wheel cylinder. Oop, there we go. And then I'll lock that one in place so that it's where it needs to be. That one's already fitted and held down. So I got a little bit of cleanup to do, but this is how bad the lines were. This one may have been okay, but it's just not worth taking the chance. If we're going to replace one, we're going to replace all. Some of the other ones, we couldn't even salvage the fittings. We couldn't even get them out. So I had to use vice grips and just cut them to get them out of the pieces so that we'll have everything where it needs to be. This is the other rear hose. So I'll get that one measured up so that we can get everything taken care of. Okay, guys, well, here's the quick update. Sorry it's such a short one because the boss is out getting more parts. But, all right, guys, we'll let you go. See ya.